Look. It's the Angel Subway Guru lady.
Namaste.
Can you please help me? I feel so franking bored all of the time. I need some harmony in my life.
You must find your peace within. That is where it begins.
I love this. When I find you on the subway, it is always so random. Last time you were in Greenwich Village, now here you are on the Upper West Side.
Yes indeed. I am here.
Who knows where you might pop up? But lately you appear when I need you the most.
I go where my spirit guides me to be. Often I do not know why.
Who would have ever guessed that I would find an angel guru on the subway lines?
The master appears when the student is ready.